Welcome to a brand new session here at Kavu Creative. Get ready to build an incredible 3D Unity logo using foundational blocks as our guide. We will turn simple geometry into a stunning visual. Whether you are new or a pro, this technique is super fun. Now that we are inside our workspace, a center guide is essential for perfect symmetry. Simply double-click your artboard tool icon. Turn on the center mark and press OK. Select a fresh pastel shade to start the grid. Take the rectangle tool. Hold Alt and click the center point. Make it 40 by 40 pixels and press OK. Hold Shift and Alt and drag right to copy the shape. Use Ctrl D once to finish a row of 3 squares. Select the whole row. Hold Shift and Alt and drag up to make a copy. Use Ctrl D once to build a complete square. Now, select all 9 pieces. Position the full grid at the top left of the center mark. Go to your selection tool. Click any square to show the live corners. Look for the tiny circles inside. Pull them in for a smooth curve. Repeat this for the next block. Do this for the whole grid to create our new design. Go slow and enjoy the process. Now let us color our new design. Pick the Eyedropper tool. Hold Ctrl to select a shape, let go, and click a color. Do this for every block. Enjoy making it look absolutely stunning. Now, grab all the colored shapes. Choose the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click the center point. Enter 90 degrees and click Copy. Hit Ctrl D twice to finish the Unity logo. Time to clean up our artwork. Select the whole design. Go up to Object menu and select Expand. Make sure Fill and Stroke are checked and hit OK. Go to Pathfinder and choose Divide. Pick the Magic Wand tool. Click on the extra outlines. Hit Delete for a perfectly clean shape. And there we have it. Our Unity Pulse design is looking absolutely beautiful. A perfect 3D logo, made from simple geometric blocks. I hope you enjoyed making this colorful mosaic with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for learning with Kavu Creative. Subscribe for more tutorials and have a great day.